Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue shampoo slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. So let's get right into the video. So the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of shampoo. I'm using this Pantene one. You guys will need a bowler plate to make your slime in. I'm just using this airtight container. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So the only step you have to do for this no glue slime recipe is add your shampoo into your bowler plate, just like that. The more shampoo you add is how much slime you're going to get making. And I'm actually going to add a little bit more. Now, all you have to do for this recipe is mix it up. You can tell this is super thick, by the way, just by mixing it a little bit. Look at that. And you want to mix this for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. So I'm going to get doing this now. And the more you mix is how many bubbles you get in there. And the bubbles basically makes it like a really nice thick texture and kind of like makes slime turn into slime. That is enough mixing. Look how bubbly this is. This turned out super awesome just from all that mixing. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to put my airtight container lid right on. And I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to go to the fridge, check on this, mix it up to see if it needs more mixing. If it needs more shampoo, also add more shampoo. But yeah, you guys can also add food coloring or, you know, sprinkles and stuff into here. Whatever you want, it's your slime. And remember, the slime will only last for a few hours, so just want to say that. So I'll see you guys in about a second when the no glue slime recipe is all done. All right guys, 2 hours later, here is the no glue slime. It looks like the bubbles kind of went down on this, but whoa, this is super thick. Like, look how that ripped right away. Look at this no glue slime. Oh my gosh, I am so happy over this slime recipe. It's like super rippy, which never happens with no glue slime. So I feel like this shampoo made it super awesome. And look how foggy it still is from all the mixing. That's okay though. But this is how you make no glue shampoo slime. I am so happy about this recipe. It really turned out amazing. I can already tell it's getting a little bit sticky because, you know, it is made out of shampoo. It's not like a glue recipe or anything. So this will only last you for a few hours. Just want to say that. I'm super happy about how this recipe turned out. It also is super like clicky and stuff. So if you want a clicky slime, this makes super great slime. But I'm so happy about this recipe. I really hope you guys liked this video today. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Remember to check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below. I post on TikTok daily. Same with YouTube Shorts. I post a few times a week. Also, guys, if my comments are off on this video, which it happens a lot with my no glue slime recipes, I'm unsure why. I think it's like the algorithm's like, oh no, like, we don't want comments on this. It's not me doing it. So go over to my community page on my YouTube channel, and that's where I always post whenever I post a video, and you can comment notification squad from there. Wow, I talked so much, but remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes, and go check out my community page to comment when I first upload videos. Bye guys!